You guys home from school?
Hi.
Starting to get the Christmas stuff out.
The Christmas tree.
Whoa.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back.
Hey guys, Christy here. Welcome to my channel and welcome back if you are new. I'm super excited to get this fall stuff and get Christmas cracking around here. The fall stuff really wasn't up for that long this year. I put it out late, so we only had like a good solid 2 weeks and I am ready to get Christmas on a roll.
It's going down on Christmas Day.
Quick disclaimer, I'm not very organized when it comes to decorating. I kind of just pull everything out and start putting things where I think it should go or where it went last year. That's how I roll. Sometimes I switch it around, but I'm not very organized with it. I'm not one of those girls that like lay everything out, make a list, make a plan. I just kind of go with the flow and put it where I feel like it needs to be, and I'll switch it around. You'll see later on I do that if I feel I need to. Last year I was on this like silver tree kick and I still love it. I think it looks really good in my living room here. So I got some silver trees, some sparkly, some shiny, and I got some white trees, some glossy, some wooden. I got these at Burlington and a few from Hobby Lobby, and this garland I got last year at Target. It was on sale for like Black Friday for pretty cheap. It lights up, but it is super messy. So I'll go back and vacuum it and wiping it down later, but I really want to get everything set up so I can surprise the kids when they get home. I know that they're going to be so excited to see the decorations and know that Christmas is just around the corner. This Christmas seems so much different than last year, obviously because of the pandemic, but we weren't able to go out and see Santa and do all the activities and the festivities that were going on in the neighborhood because of the pandemic. So this year we are fully taking advantage. We are using the theme of experiences and giving back this holiday season and just getting out there in the community and really celebrating with everyone and giving back instead of staying home this year. In previous years, I've had a little bit of anxiety of like around gifts and things, and is this going to be enough? Is this what they want? Is it too much? Is it not enough? And last year we came up with a system that really works on the number of gifts and the whole idea around giving gifts for all of our 5 kids. So I shared it in another video if you want to check it out. It really works and it makes me like more comforted and less anxious to know that I have a plan in place and that it works and everyone is going to be happy and it's going to be a really good Christmas morning. I'll leave a link in the description box down below. You guys can click if you want to check it out. Okay, as far as Christmas trees, I probably, have a few more than the average family. I don't know. I love Christmas trees. I love seeing the Christmas vibe in every area of my home. So we are doing 3 large trees this year, but we are going to go simple on the decorations. I do not decorate the tree without the rest of the family. That is a tradition. I'm so excited to be sharing that video with you. It'll probably come out right after this, but I'm just going to put the trees up and light them up so when the kids come home, they know it's time to start decorating for Christmas. It's something I look forward to every single year where we can decorate the tree as a family. People have asked me before why we do not have live trees. I grew up having live trees and getting them at like Home Depot or even some years going and cutting it down, and I do love the smell, but I want to be able to put up my tree like whenever I want. Like if I feel like putting it up early, it's there in a box, I can just put it up and it's a lot less messy, but I do love the smell of a real Christmas tree, so I make an effort to buy candles or scents, and there's like these little scents that you can buy at Walmart where you hang on the tree, so it really gives that scent throughout the room. What about you guys? Do you prefer a fake tree where you can put it up wherever and just have the convenience of it being pre-lit, or do you have to have a live tree? Let me know. I'm super curious.
Wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me, doesn't matter. It's Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Guys home from school? Starting to get the Christmas stuff out.
The Christmas tree.
Whoa. We're gonna decorate this together. Okay, after wash our hands, after homework. Starting to put stuff out. I got lots more to do. We got to do our candy cane area over there, remember?
Wait, is the ice cream stuff kind of part of the candy cane, like the ice cream?
It's a flavor, yeah. Do you feel Christmassy?
Yeah.
Yay! We got lots more decorating to do. We got putting stuff out. I have more stuff. I'm missing a bin. I was gonna put more trees out. Lots, and I still got boxes of stuff over there. Lots to do still. We're making headway. You guys, do not forget to subscribe because we're gonna be doing lots of fun vlogging things as a family this holiday season, and I do not want you to miss out on spending the holiday season with my family and I. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.